For today's project, I decided to give this nightstand or side table a makeover by using Contour Chic paint, chalk paint, in the color Pop the Bubbly. But before I start painting, I gave the piece a light sanding just to get rid of the old finish. So for this piece, I gave it 2 coats of each color. The yellow one, the yellow color, the light yellow color, and the beige one. Look very pretty together. So after I'm done with these 2 coats, I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. Then I'll start creating my mold using the casting resin by Redesign with Prima. It comes in 2 containers, the solution A and B. You just mix them together and you can create beautiful mold. And these molds called the Magnolia flowers and the Magnolia bloom. With the E6000 glue, I will attach these molds to my piece on the sides because the piece was a little bit plain. I do recommend that you tape it so they don't slide down or up. I'm using the polishing pad and the effect paste, which is a rustic brown color. This will add a lot of texture to my piece, and this paste comes already with plenty of texture. It comes really thick. I'm adding a few different layers, 2 different colors, like the green, the brown, light green, just to create that rustic look. After I made sure everything is dry so I don't blend the colors, it's okay to blend them in some corners or some, areas, but not all of it. Look at all that texture. I actually love it. So let me tell you what happened here. I tried to create, a magnolia flower colors, but it didn't work out with me. So I actually didn't like all these colors. It was just too much for me. I felt the piece was looks very old and I didn't like it. So I just decided to paint over it, let it dry and paint again, or dark color. For the top part, I wanted to add the transfer magnolia garden. It is beautiful. They call it maxi transfer. So far, this is the final results. I just gave it a day to dry, and there you go after I protect it. Look at that texture. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know if you like this small project, and thanks again for watching.